Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure you are signed into an administrator account and save any open work. Once done, open Control Panel, go to Network and Sharing Center, and click Change Adapter Settings so you can see active adapters. You should note the adapter name and write down any static IP, DNS, or proxy entries. This helps you restore settings if needed. Now select the adapter you want to reset to prepare for the next steps. Now you perform the core resets. First, right-click the chosen adapter and pick Disable, wait a few seconds, then Enable to refresh the physical link. Next, open an elevated command prompt, type netch winsock reset and press Enter, then run netch int IP reset to restore TCP/IP defaults. These commands fix corrupt stacks and socket issues. After that, run ipconfig/release, finish by restarting your computer so all resets take full effect. Rebooting completes services and applies new settings. After reboot, verify connectivity and re-enter any saved static IP, gateway, or DNS details if you noted them earlier. If you still lack internet, make sure your network driver is up to date in Device Manager, and run the built-in Windows Network Troubleshooter to capture common faults. One key troubleshooting tip: try reinstalling the adapter driver. Corrupt drivers often mimic configuration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.